What's up, YouTube? Welcome to episode, I think, 312, maybe. I don't know. I'm losing track. I'm getting a bunch of these filmed ahead of time, and I'm losing track of what they are. But it will tell you in the description what number this is. We like to send out 100 requests per week. We didn't send 100 out last week. We sent 50 out this week. So hopefully we'll get some more stuff coming in. Our mailbox is starting to get a little bit slow. So we did get this in the mail. And we opened up another one of those boxes, and we went through it. It said 2006, I think 2007 base or football. I mean, what we did, we went ahead and processed them. What we do, if you guys have like a shop or sell cards at a flea market or anything like that, what we do is we take like 12 commons pretty much and semi-stars, and we throw them in these things here, these team bags, and we'll throw like a star or a semi-star, you know. I'm in Ohio, so the Bengals move pretty well, and I'll sell this for $1. And the kids love these things. So we got a bunch of those. We went ahead and made a ton of those because there was stars in there, but there was like, we ended up finding like two or three of these Brady's. I went ahead and put a couple in these things here. Found that Brady and this card number to 50. And like I said, the rest of it's just, I mean, we did find some Mannings and some Favres, but it's, this upper deck stuff that's like not really worth that much. So we went ahead and just put them in these bags. And we're going to try to do some card shows and some stuff like that. We did find some TTM, like a bunch of Larry Johnsons. And we'll try to send those out. And then we found some of these non-sport things and some of these inserts of different non-sports. We'll put these in like plastic sleeves and we'll sell them for $1 a piece. So let's see what we got. TTM. Hey, we got Tom Mack. He's always a guarantee. He's a no fee. He signed 3 for free. I opened up a bunch of these packs from the Hall of Fame, and they had like all the enshrinees in each pack. So I probably have 50 or 100 of these cards. So it's cool that he signs them. And then we got a 78 tops and a 71 tops. That thing's a beauty. 71 tops was made for autographs, I'm telling you. It's one of the sweetest looking cards. Hey, Carl Lee. We like getting these gold cards signed. Here's a All-Pro card. Love the All-Pros. That really looks good with the black. There's a 90 score. I love to get these wild cards signed. What is that, a 5-stripe? Yep. That's a cool card. I think the wild card's my favorite. Hey, Bob Trumpy, Hall of Famer. I think he's in the broadcasting wing. But I think this is his rookie card, maybe. I think. There's a 72 and a 74. Good stuff. We love vintage football. Probably is our favorite. Jay Howe. 92 Donruss, 92 tops, 91 Bowman, and a 92 tops. Nice. We probably need those for our sets. I don't recall having those. Bruce Van Dyke. First time we've ever sent to him. The main reason we sent to him is because we had these Pittsburgh Steelers stamps from this 72 Sunoco set. He signed all 3 of those, so 4 for 4. Very sweet. Here we go. Mike Rozier, Heisman Trophy winner. I think was that his rookie card? No, 87. Yeah, I think 87 was his rookie. That's an 89. I think it's a 92. I like this because it's in his college uniform. And a 1,000-yard rusher. So 3 for 3 from a former Heisman Trophy winner. You can't beat that. Here we go. Not sure if he's a Hall of Famer, but he probably should be. Jeff Flagman. He was a very good player for the Jags. There's 92. I love these Flares autographed. Don't have a whole lot of them, but it's one of my favorite cards to get autographed. I love these action pack too. Those are nice. And a collector's choice. Shout out to Haas. He loves those collector's choices. This is the last one, guys. Thanks for sticking around. I want to thank everybody that's on my cards. I want to thank you guys for watching. 2, 4, 6, 7. We got 8 returns today. Hopefully we'll get more tomorrow. Like I said, we sent out 50 of them this morning, so we won't get those back probably for like 10 or 15 days. We got another Sunoco, Bob Vogel, and a 69 Vogel. I don't know what year that is. It's a Philadelphia card. I'm going to go out on a limb and say 67.5. I don't know. I don't really know. 70 tops. Man, that thing looks really nice. But yeah, those are awesome. Love that vintage football. What did we get? Mostly football today. All football and one baseball. No NASCAR today. I'm surprised. We sent to every NASCAR driver and owner and crew people that sign. I mean, we sent out like over 100 or 150 NASCAR things. We got a bunch of them back, but we're still waiting on a bunch too. But hey guys, thanks for sticking around. I really enjoy that you guys watch us. Please comment, please subscribe. Please let me know which one's your favorite. Have a good one, guys. Until next time, peace.